Hey guys, Chris Cunningham here with a video on how to use Aweber Campaigns to improve your online marketing business, and specifically how to analyze and improve your email marketing results with Aweber Campaigns. So let me get right to it and show you how. So here is my campaign. To get to this, you just select your list, then go Messages, Campaigns. So this is a campaign that I've had running for a while. It's a follow-up series, and you'll see it's been sent to 556 subscribers so far, and I have my open and click rates. I got this automated, so my first two messages have nice open rates. So say I'm going to be using a new lead source like our team is right now, and I'm buying into our team resources that create the ads for us. And I want to analyze those results. I'm going to be spending a lot of money on it to help drive growth for my team. So I want to know those results as compared to these ones here. So how do you do that? Well, you can just use what you already have and just copy it and track your results separately. So I don't want my new leads getting mixed in with these numbers. I want to know if my open rate's higher or lower with this new lead source. So the first thing you're going to do, so I have this active campaign right now. I'm just going to click copy, and it's going to copy everything into draft state. So I just click on that. Takes a little second there to copy. And so I don't want both going at the same time, but I also don't want to just delete this old one because I already have people that have gone through this. This is like about a 30-day sequence, so I'm not going to just stop it, and so people don't continue to get those follow-up messages. So the features that they have is an active campaign. You can either pause it, close it, or stop it. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this campaign. I would select that option, and what that's going to do, it will not allow any new subscribers to be added, but it will still continue to progress everyone through the sequence until it ends. So you would want to choose the close campaign option there. That would lock in these stats where they are. And then I have this new one here that's in draft mode. You can click on that and you can update the name of it, tweak your messaging some too. So if you wanted to split test messages, you could as well. But in this case, I just want to split test the new lead source. So I just copy that campaign. I would click activate campaign here, and at the same time I would close this campaign. Now I'm not going to do that yet because I don't quite have this lead source up and going, but that would be the process. Close the old series and then activate the new one that you just copied. So a real simple, easy way. I'll still have this campaign here so I can look at the stats and then compare them to the new one. And the only way you'd want to pause a campaign, I just do it real temporarily. If I'm just changing something real quick or I have a technical issue, I will just pause it and then restart it. But you don't really want to do that on a regular basis, and you don't want to have two campaigns with the same, list in it and sending duplicate messages to people and getting annoyed and them thinking you're a spammer. So the best way for me that I've found is just to take that old campaign, click close, anyone who's already entered it, because they're both set up for be triggered on a new subscriber, as you can see. So anyone who's already in this campaign follows through, they get all the follow-up emails. And then anyone new in this new campaign from the new lead source ends up in this one, so I can see the stats, open rates, click rates on that campaign. So a great way to analyze your results. It's going to be crucial for me. I'm expecting probably between 500 and 1,000 new leads coming in. I'm starting any day now, so probably will run for about a month. So I'm expecting a lot of volume there, so it'll be a good sample size to be able to test and really see if this is helping my team or not.